Hi, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a microphone to this Zoom H6. So the first thing you want to do is turn on your Zoom H6 or any Zoom recorder you have, like so. And at the side you see this little button right there that says down, hold, and power. Click on that and it should power on. You see right there, it's powering on right now. And now what you want to do is grab your microphone like so, and you want to grab its XLR cables like so. You want to make sure it has both ends like so, the male and female ends. Now what you want to do is grab your microphone in this other end and connect it like so. You should see right there that there's some pins that will connect to this microphone cable like so. You see the pins look exactly the same. What you want to do is connect it like so, because on the cable you should see this little ridge right here, and on the microphone you should see that little ridge right there. It's the same thing, just so the microphone can slide in. Match those up like so to your cable and microphone, and it should enter. Now what you want to do is grab your other end of the XLR cable and connect it to this input, the first one right here. It has the same connectors as the microphone cable. Now what you want to do is connect it. You see these pins right here that this will enter to? It's the same as before. To connect it, just connect it like so, and you should be connected now. Now what you want to do is go to the menu by clicking these buttons right here. Clicking this menu button right here, and you see right here you should be greeted with this menu. You want to scroll down by scrolling down with this scroll button, and to press OK, you want to click on it like so. I'll show you. You want to click the button that says microphone right there by clicking this button. Now what you want to do is find the one that says Phantom and plug-in power. You want those two. Click on Phantom, click OK, click on or off, and then click on. Now go back and go to plug-in power, on. Scroll back till you see the microphone menu. Now what you want to do is test the microphone to see if the microphone is connected to it. You see right there the microphone is working because it's showing that the volume is working on your microphone like so. Here, to change the speed to change how much volume you have on your microphone, you could just click the scroll menu. Because right now you see that it's speaking. Right here, it's speaking. So that's how to add a microphone to the Zoom H6. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones. Bye.